Unlock the full potential of your Higgsfield journey by bringing your very own soul pet to life. First things first, your soul pet adventure begins with an egg. You'll find these precious bundles of joy in your character's inventory. Simply tap on the soul pet egg to initiate the hatching process. It's like unwrapping a digital present. Watch as your egg hatches, revealing your unique and personalized soul pet. Each soul pet has distinct characteristics and appearances, making them truly one of a kind. Once hatched, you'll need to integrate your soul pet into your active Higgsfield experience. Navigate to your character customization menu and select the soul pet slot from there. Choose your newly hatched companion to have them join you. See them come alive. Your soul pet will now follow you wherever you go, adding a vibrant and dynamic element to your exploration. They're more than just companions. They can actively participate in your Higgsfield moments. Discover your soul pet's amazing abilities. Depending on their type and rarity, they can assist you in various ways, from finding hidden items to providing small boosts to your in-game performance. Experiment and see which unique skills your soul pet possesses. Keep your digital friend happy and healthy by nurturing them. You can feed your soul pet various items found within Higgsfield. This interaction not only strengthens your bond, but also helps them evolve and unlock even more impressive abilities over time. Engage directly with your soul pet. Many soul pets respond to simple commands or gestures. Try interacting with them through the in-game menu. You might be surprised by their charming reactions. This is where the true personalization and interactive fun begins. Embrace the future of companionship in Higgsfield and enhance your metaverse experiences with your loyal soul pet. Start your journey today and let the adventures begin.